Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching the channel and giving a lot of support and love. So guys, today's topic is how to overcome fear of failure. So guys, please watch the video till the end and hit like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos and content. So guys, first of all we need to understand what is fear of failure or what does it mean. So fear of failure means when a person fails to reach his or her own expectations or expectational marks. So this is called fear of failure, and this is how failure occurs because of fear of failure. And this fear is natural, and this fear is in all of us. So no need to bother about this. So our main objective is how to overcome or how to remove this from yourself. So guys, why this fear of failure occurs? We need to understand why it comes up. So there are many reasons and many prompts. So first reason is low self-confidence or low self-esteem. When you have low self-confidence on any subject or any topic or anything, the fear of failure arises automatically and you will think, what will I do? Your anxiety levels will increase and you'll lose self-confidence. And definitely the fear of failure will overpower you, and failure will happen. You will fail. And the second most important thing is procrastinating things. And please do not procrastinate on important things. Do not take things lightly when you are assigned with a project or when you are assigned with any work. And this is for the school students. Do not procrastinate that. Do it on that very same day, because it is very necessary. Because at the time of exams, this fear of failure will come and you'll definitely fail. So these are the reasons mainly which makes fear of failure very overpowering, or your on your self control on yourself. So that now the main point now let us see what are all the things, what are all the ways you can find to overcome your fear of failure. So it is very important because you see this fear is temporary. It doesn't stay for long. You need to understand this fear will stay only for a few days or few months or few years. That's all. It will go away eventually with time. So it is temporary. So fear of failure is also same. It's temporary. As soon as we remove it, it is better for ourselves, for our self-growth and self-understanding. So the first way to remove the fear of failure is by practicing on anything, by practicing on your personality development, by practicing on any topic, any subject. If you're weak in maths, practice sums, algebra, anything. This will help you to remove the fear of maths. That is called fear of maths or fear of failure, getting failed in maths. So practicing is the most important thing which we all need to do on daily basis. And the second most important thing is how to overcome the fear of failure is maintaining the self-confidence, boosting up the self-confidence. Watch motivational videos. Nothing is there on this planet which you can't achieve. Everything is achievable, and everyone has that potential. Some people takes advantage of their potential, and some people they doesn't. So take advantage of your own potential and grow up in your life, grow up on your career, grow up. So in this way you can easily win over your fear of failure. And one more thing, guys, people will tell you to have plan B, plan C, plan D, or whatever, but don't, in real life we generally don't have it. But you need to understand, you need to make yourself you need to make yourself understand that fear of failure or failure exists. It does. Even a big successful man or businessman can fail. So they don't commit suicide or they don't go into depression. They will eventually come up with more good ideas or more powerful business. So you need to understand failure is a part of your life and journey. It will come, definitely. It will come and it will test you. You need to be patient on the time, and you need to be very understanding. You need to take care of yourself, because failure causes damage. So it is a realistic thing. You need to accept failure and you need to move on. It can be removable. You can eradicate fear of failure from yourself. So guys, thank you for watching the video till the end, and please hit again subscribe, like, and share this video more and more, so that it reaches to the people who definitely need this things to see and move ahead in their life, rather than taking suicidal paths or any other path. And thank you very much, guys, and peace out. Cheers. Stay safe, stay well.